Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, and this evening we're going to be working with Cricut's new Infusible Ink. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. This is my first time doing it. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. This could turn out great, or it could turn out to be a colossal nightmare for me. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the computer into Design Space and show you what we're going to make, and we're going to get started. I'm so excited. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to get in here. Oh, I need to turn my mouse on. Huh, that helps. So I'm going to go into my Safari, and I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space, and of course I have my, I'm hardwired at work, so oh, there we go. We're going to sign in. There we are. Okay. So these are all the projects that I've made before that you have seen. We're going to go into New Project. We're going to go into Images. And I think for this particular one, because we're going to make a bag, I am going to make one with the little Cricut bug on it. This is the one I'm going to choose just because I think it's so cute. And we're going to size it, and I think I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. Maybe okay, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to click Make It, and we are going to mirror this image because this is a heat press or a heat product, so we want to mirror the image. I'm going to click to continue. You can see it's searching for my maker. Okay. So this is what we're going to use, is this. It's part of, it's called the Mermaid, I need to read. Mermaid Rainbow. This is one sheet of the Mermaid Rainbow. The other sheet that comes in this is this beautiful rainbow colored sheet, and then there's actually a couple. You don't want to get your hands all over these. And there's this one. And then there's this beautiful blue. Okay. So we are going to work with the one that has the little scales on it because I like it the best. So you need a regular mat, just a regular green mat. And you're just going to press this down. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the machine. We're going to load it in. I've already changed the blade, so I know that the blade is correct. And now it's blinking and telling me that it's time, so I'm just going to press that button. And now it's going to cut our design. Okay. I've got it to come up. I'm going to start weeding this now. This is really, it's like paper. It feels weird. It's different from vinyl. It feels kind of papery. I don't even know how to describe it. It's cool, but it just feels so different than what I'm used to. And I have no idea what's happening here. All right. No idea. Whoa! No idea. We're going to learn this together. This is pretty cool stuff. I'm just saying. It really is. It's like paper. So I don't know. All right, I'm going to go ahead and weed this, and then I will come back and show you what we're going to do. I've gone ahead and weeded out our little bug, and he's cute, our little Cricut guy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to prep the bag. I'm going to turn my easy press back on. Now, my easy press only goes to 360. I have the original one. So I am not sure how that's going to work. Because it should be at 385 for 40 seconds. Why am I going down? And I think I'm going to do mine for a minute. We're going to try it and see what happens. And then you'll know if you can use this. I also have a regular heat press that I can also use. This is the Easy Press, the original one. They have new ones now that get a lot hotter and are really cool. I don't have one. This is the bag that came in the Cricut stuff that I showed you last night. I have put my pressing pad in here. This helps to keep the heat in there. You can also buy these from Cricut, but I'm going to stick it inside. I'm also going to stick cardstock inside as well. I have 2 sheets here because I don't have an 80-pound cardstock. I think this is like 60 pounds, so I'm just doubling up. I'm just going to put it inside on the bag because you don't want this to bleed through on your mat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little lint roller that was sent to me as well. And I'm going to roll off any lint or any fuzz or any dirt that may be on my bag. And there probably is stuff on here because I have a black dog. Yep. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to make sure that this is positioned correctly. And now I'm going to take my, turn my light back on. Now, butcher paper, you get butcher paper when you put, when you buy this. And so I'm just going to lay this on top here for right now. And I'm going to press with my easy press. I'm just going to heat it up. Just heating the surface, making sure that it's flat. Okay. And my easy press is still warming up. Yeah, and that's really hot. So if you have the new easy press too, then yours should work no problem. It should be fine. Okay, we're at 360. This is still really, really warm, our surface here, and we don't want to put this down on here when it's hot because it will bleed when it's warm. It'll sense the heat and start bleeding. So we need to let this cool down, and that's all I'm doing. I'm just waiting. Oh, you guys, I hope this turns out really cool. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this product. I'm going to try it with my heat press. I'll show you that one too. I'll do another tutorial on that sometime, and we'll see how that works. For those of you who have an actual heat press. Because I know I've seen so many questions about this product since people have been showing it. And a lot of people wanted to know if it works with the old one, with the old Easy Press. And there were people asking questions about a regular heat press. So I'm going to be the guinea pig. How about that? So this is almost cool. All right. So this is pretty cool now. We're going to stick this on, and once we put it on there, we're not going to move it. So I'm just going to place it right there. And then I'm going to put my butcher paper on top of this. Now's the moment of truth. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I'm just going to take my easy press, set it down, and we're going to let it count down. Now, when you're doing this, you do not want to move this around. You want to just set it on top and let it go. Because if you start moving it around, you will cause the transfer sheet to bleed, and then you'll have ink everywhere. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so just put it on there and let it sit. My easy press is acting a little crazy. It's not quite as hot as it was a minute ago. So we're gonna let it count down. We've got a couple more seconds, about 2 seconds left. Okay, now I'm gonna just let it I'm just gonna let it count down for a few extra seconds just because of the heat factor, because I really want this to work. So it needs to be nice and hot. Okay, we're back up to 360 now. I don't know. It looks like it did something. We're ready to pull this up. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is so cute. Okay, here's the big reveal. Protected the mat, so everything was good there. Do you see how cute that is? Oh, how freaking cute is that? Total game changer. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it.